Hey, what's up, guys? I'm here at G&M, home of the giant bumblebee, and we're coming up here to meet Justin and see what he's working on today. Let's go in and see if we can't find him. Got the old 71. Looks like we might have found him. Looks like he's working hard.
What's up?
What are you doing to this, man?
Stripping it and put some new dealies on it. Running boards. Basically, it's getting like a full paint job in it.
Alright, well that's not what we came here. We came to see the 71, so when we get a chance, we'll show it to you. Tell me what you're doing.
Well, I made kind of a 6-hole stencil and I don't really like it, so I filled it back in with primer, but I got some overspray on the holes I wanted to keep, so we'll see if I can salvage this. If not, I'm gonna have to redo it.
What are you gonna do with the black holes?
Cut them out and put some expanded metal behind it.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm trying to move the bumper down low.
So is this all custom? Did you build that middle panel yourself?
Yeah, the other one was all rotted out and wrecked. So I
Now
figure
is your bumper gonna cover those?
no, it's gonna go about off there or off that line.
So you're thinking right below that white hole there?
Yeah, I'm thinking somewhere in here.
Nice.
Alright, so I'm trying to get a roundabout area for the top of this since I erased it over there. This bodyline tool. There we go. Now there's the top. So we'll have to come in and do the bottom now. I'm just going to try to line it up with this one because I knew this was right from the beginning. There, moved. There we go. Alright. So there's those two. So that's pretty much it. I like it.
Let's
It's nice and easy.
let's get this back here. Let's hold that bumper up in the spot.
Thinking it's gonna go here.
So let's show before. The bumper obviously went right here.
Yeah.
Let's step back a little.
Not like that. And that's all good and gravy, but I kind of want a lower front end to flush up with the doors and how low the actual rocker panel goes. And because this was all rotted out and I had to replace it, I figured, well, it's a blank slate now, so I can pretty much do whatever I want. And so I'm thinking we'll be here. That's what I think. But let's go ahead and pull it over to your side, get it as tight as you can, because we'll have to shave this bumper down, cut all the middle out, just save the edges.
So how do you plan on doing that?
Well, I'll use these because these are already pre-drilled. And about the only good part of this bumper left is the corners. And I'll just come in there and put some new, probably 16 or 14 gauge steel in there. That way it doesn't warp when I'm welding on it, thick enough. And just go from here to there and there to there. And if I lose that little concave right there, that's okay. I'm okay with that.
So you're gonna have a fully custom front end by the time this is over, huh?
Pretty much. And I threw the grill in there. And when I threw the grill in there, that's when I realized I have too many holes. So I'm glad I threw the grill in there and didn't just go ahead and go hog wild.
Nice. Well, I can't wait to see it.